Hello, this is Girl Scout Troop 300, a mixed-level troop based in New York. This is our outdoor journey project that is being completed so that the girls may earn their individual higher awards. Here is a brief table of the contents we will be discussing in this presentation. Brownie Girl Scouts are required first to earn the First Aid Badge, then the Hiker Badge, then earn the Cabin Camper Badge. When all three badges are complete, Brownie Girl Scouts may plan and carry out a Take Action Award, which allows them to earn their outdoor journey.
While hiking, it's important to use the buddy system and walk in pairs.
Junior Girl Scouts are required first to earn the Animal Habitats Badge, then the Camper Badge, then the new Eco Camper Badge. When all three badges are complete, Junior Girl Scouts must plan and carry out a Take Action project using the skills they have learned, which show that they earned their outdoor journey. Cadet Girl Scouts are required first to earn their Night Owl Badge, then the Trailblazing Badge, then the Primitive Camper Badge. When all three badges are complete, Cadet Girl Scouts must plan and carry out a Take Action project using the skills they learned, which show that they earned their outdoor journey. Senior Girl Scouts are required to earn the Adventurer Badge, then the First Aid Badge, then the Adventure Camper Badge. When all three badges are complete, Senior Girl Scouts must plan and carry out a Take Action project using the skills they have learned, which show that they earned their outdoor journey. Today, our goal is to educate you all on pollution. We will discuss the various types of pollution, the causes and effects of pollution, and what each of us can do to prevent pollution. What is pollution? Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash, or created by human activity, such as trash or factory runoff.
Pollution is things that badly affect the land, air, and water. This is an example of land pollution, and it is caused by humans, the most harmful.
What are the different types of pollution? There are various types of pollution, but the three major types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Air pollution is the release into the atmosphere of various gases, finely divided solids, or finely dispersed liquid aerosols at rates that exceed the natural capacity of the environment to dissipate and dilute or absorb them. These substances may reach concentrations in the air that cause undesirable health, economic, or aesthetic effects. Water pollution is the release of substances into subsurface groundwater or into lakes, streams, rivers, estuaries, and oceans to the point that the substances interfere with beneficial use of the water or with the natural functioning of ecosystems. In addition to the release of substances such as chemicals, trash, or microorganisms, water pollution may include the release of energy in the form of radioactivity or heat into bodies of water. Land pollution is the disposition of solid or liquid waste materials on land or underground in a manner that can contaminate the soil or groundwater, threaten public health, and cause unsightly conditions and nuisances. What causes pollution? Household combustion devices, motor vehicles, industrial facilities, and forest fires are common sources of air pollution. Pollutants of major public health concern include particulate matter, carbon monoxide, ozone, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. Outdoor and indoor air pollution cause respiratory and other diseases that are important sources of morbidity and mortality. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances, often chemicals or microorganisms, contaminate a stream, river, lake, ocean, aquifer, or other body of water, degrading water quality and rendering it toxic to humans or the environment. Land pollution, also known as soil pollution, is primarily caused by improper waste disposal, industrial activities, mining operation, unsustainable agricultural practices, including chemical use, urbanization, and the dumping of hazardous materials, all of which contaminate the soil with foreign substances. What are the effects of pollution? Air pollution affects all things. It is harmful to our health, and it impacts the environment by reducing visibility and blocking sunlight, causing acid rain and harming forests, wildlife, and agriculture. Greenhouse gas pollution, the cause of climate change, affects the entire planet. Water pollution has a wide range of harmful effects on ecosystems, human health, and the economy. Pollutants like chemicals, heavy metals, and plastics can harm or kill aquatic species. Polluted water sources can lead to illnesses and waterborne diseases. Heavy metals like lead and mercury in drinking water can cause long-term health issues like neurological damage. Water pollution can also affect air quality. Land pollution can have a wide range of negative effects, including contaminating groundwater, reducing soil fertility, harming plant and animal life, increasing the risk of wildfires, impacting human health through exposure to toxins, and contributing to climate change by disrupting the natural carbon cycle, essentially degrading the land's ability to support life in ecosystems. What is the solution to pollution? While air pollution is a serious problem, it is a problem that we can solve. In the United States and around the world, people are taking action to reduce emissions and improve air quality. Creating policies and passing laws to restrict air pollution has been an important step towards improving air quality. In 1970, fueled by persistent visible smog in many U.S. cities and industrial areas, and an increase in health problems caused by air pollution, the Clean Air Act paved the way for numerous efforts to improve air quality in the United States. The Clean Air Act requires the Environmental Protection Agency, otherwise known as the EPA, to set air quality standards for several hazardous air pollutants reported in the Air Quality Index. The EPA requires states to have a plan to address air pollution and emissions reduction, and also address problems such as acid rain, ozone holes, and greenhouse gas pollution, which is causing the climate to warm. In order to improve air quality and slow climate warming, change needs to happen on national and global scales. However, actions at the individual and community level are also important. We can 1. Burn less coal, 2. Lessen the impact of vehicles by taking public transportation and using electric vehicles, 3. Conserve energy, and 4. Monitor air quality warnings and take action on poor air quality days. More efficient water use begins with individuals in homes, schools, and places of work. Heating and pumping water requires chemicals and energy. When we waste less water, we conserve fuel and reduce the pollution generated by burning fuel and treating water with chemicals. Taking these and other steps and encouraging others to do so makes good economic as well as environmental sense. One of the most foremost ways to solve land pollution is to reduce waste. The phrase reduce, reuse, recycle still holds true. Both managed waste, such as properly disposed of garbage, and unmanaged waste, otherwise known as litter, can result in pollution. As waste products break down, they can release chemicals into the soil and additionally into the air and water. You can help reduce the impacts of garbage and littering by recycling as much as possible and by using reusable objects such as shopping bags, straws, and water bottles. Participating in cleanups at beaches and parks can also help by removing litter from our ecosystems. We encourage you all to do your own research on what you can do to help our planet fight against pollution. We have included our own sources to be a starting guide for your research.